What's good, everybody? It's Cashflow Nexus back with another video. What's good, XRP community? What's good, crypto traders? What's good, Forex traders? You know, cloud life, baby, all day. So, I, I hate to be a bearer of bad news, but it looks like XRP might be going, even lower, you know, and I'm explaining why, so don't bash me because I think the XRP communities probably the most sensitive communities in the crypto space, but it's for a good reason because we believe in something that it's something gonna do really well one day, gonna change lives, and I would be too, but anyway, jokes aside, uh, I do believe XRP, is going to go lower, and I'm going to explain why and show you the charts. I got three areas marked up, on my chart, of course. But this zone that we touched, this was neutral zone. This yellow zone's neutral zone for for bulls and bears. So as you could see that we touched it several times. We never broke past it. So since we could never break past this zone, it's only a matter of time before we had to go lower. And right now we're going lower as it is, and you could see that even the cloud is showing that we are still going. Momentum, a lot of volume is still underneath the cloud. For a lot of bears are still in the market. Look at that big old cloud. There's a lot of volume pushing the market down, but that's fine because they say the slow one wins the race, whatever, how it go. But anyway, so you could tell right here that we are in the blue zone, and blue zone is in bearish territory for me. And the reason why I say that is because I want to take a closer look at the 4-hour time frame. All right, we failed to break this fractal level right here. All right, we're failing right now to get above the cloud. We even had our baseline broken, as you can see, our our Kijinsen that you can see. If you don't know, it's a Ichimoku system, part of the system. This was a strong support. Now that support is broken, now we're moving lower. Uh, you know, this level, if we can't hold here and range a little bit, then move up. If we could range and then move up, then we could see some light back to the upside. Which will be great. Which will be putting us closer back into neutral territory. Because if we could get a break here, we will be testing, neutral territory again. But we have to get past these little barriers first. If we can't, do the minimum here and get past this level, we're not gonna break any higher and touch these levels. So that's what is going on right now. If we can't, break, if we get a break at this level, this is our last, area that support that we may get. And if we get a break here, we're gonna move further into, bear territory, which will put us back down to, 24 cents. And, that'll be different. If we go down to 24 cents, I don't think it's just gonna be 24 cents. I think it's gonna be a possibility that we get even lower and test new lows, make a new low, and possibly get back to 16 cents at that. If I'm to draw, a channel, let's see, did I draw that right? Looks pretty good. Yeah, we could be moving, doing this to the downside, down to 16 cents, then move back to the upside. That's what I'm seeing for XRP right now, because we're not breaking higher. We just been, going down steadily. It hasn't been fast moving up. It hasn't been fast moving down. And XRP is known to be, moving rapidly, moving. It's the fastest crypto out there, from what I've seen so far. If anybody has seen anything faster, let me know in the comments because I haven't seen nothing yet. But we used to make these crazy moves easily, but we just been doing boom, boom, just slowly easing our way down. So if we can't break, this level here, and if we could test here, well, if we get tested here, then move down, this is gonna be our make it or break it zone. If we break here, we're gonna be testing in this region again, and if we don't, we're going to just be going down and down. And I think 16 cents will be our final. And looking at it from a longer perspective, we may even get, it may take us until late August, to get to this level. And then we'll be making our way back up, sometime in December. And this is supposed to be December. I got that marked up as December. So yeah, I see us moving down, and then once we get down to a new low, we'll start making that parabolic movement, or that parabolic movement even higher. And if we could get that, it will be, similar to the chart of Bitcoin. Slow and steady wins the race. That's the saying right there. But anyway, I think once Ripple finally hits its bottom and banks start utilizing Ripple, we're gonna take off faster than any crypto, and it's gonna be amazing. Touch here, boom! It's just gonna nonstop be constant movement. So I think Ripple honestly is the greatest asset to invest in. I'm not saying it because I'm not a financial advisor, so disclaimer. But that's what I see playing out. We bottom out at 16 cents, make that parabolic move, and then we'll see the cloud twist, giving us that signal that it's all good to go. And then it's just gonna take off. So I'm just telling you, once banks start taking XRP and it's utilized for what it's supposed to be utilized for, and people see it, it's going to be the greatest asset. And the people that got in will appreciate that they watched this video. That's just what I see. And I could be wrong. That's just my projections. But yeah, December 2nd is when they'll probably take off, because we're known for taking off in December. If you look back in here, December 4th to 11th, boom, we just start taking off. And you see how fast it took, 3 weeks. Look where we went in 3 weeks. That's insane. Just boom, boom. I'm just saying, once, XRP gets to where it wants to go and everybody starts it, once we get to this green zone here, we're going to be unstoppable. I'm telling you guys. This is it right here. Boom. Touchdown. Boom. Off. Just going to take off. So XRP is a little special, It's a different, it looks different from, other cryptos. The charts are different as well. So I'm leaning to XRP in the future for big things. But this is what I'm seeing so far, though. So you guys don't be too down. Just wait. Slow and steady wins the race. The patient one wins. Just watch and just trade it on the lower time frames to get quick profits. That's my advice. Well, not advice, but my me giving my thoughts on this. So scratch that what I said. But anyway, take it as it is, and hope you guys the best trading. Stay tuned for more content, and God bless you guys. Peace.